Hello and welcome to our presentation. I just want to give you a quick introduction to our trading platform. And here we go. When you load the trading platform using the simple template at the beginning, you'll see on the top left standard trading tiles that you'll be familiar with from other trading platforms. For example, here we have Eurodollar, here we have cable or sterling against the dollar, dollar yen, Aussie dollar. Here we're showing the bid and offer prices, and in order to trade, you simply click and you get a trading window. This account has a standard lot size of 10,000, so if we trade 10 lots, you'll be trading 100,000 of this asset, Eurodollar. You can change what you're going to trade here. As you can see, we have more than 40 currency pairs, gold and silver, that can be traded. In order to execute a trade, simply click on the tile on the right to buy, on the left to sell. When you put your cursor before trading, you see that this yellow box is populated showing exactly what you're going to do. In this case, buy 100,000 euros against the dollar. At market, it shows your cash balance, margin requirement, resulting margin for your total account, and margin utilization. You can execute at market, you can leave stop orders or limit orders, and if filled, or when filled, you can leave contingent orders. On the right side, we have the more unique part of our trading platform, which is options trading. By default, the platform shows you overnight options in Eurodollar, sterling against the dollar, and dollar yen. At the top of this tile, you can see spot, to trade spot, sterling against the dollar, and overnight options, bid and offer, strikes down the middle, call options on the right, put options on the left. So, for example, an overnight 129.60 call on cable against the dollar right now costs 31 pips. The tooltip pop-up shows you that this option is out of the money by 0.1%. You're buying a September 28th call, struck at 129.60. Your break-even is 129.90, which is the strike plus the option premium. It shows you mid-market implied volatility and delta. Click, and you get the ticket. Again, choose how much you want to trade. If you're trading at least 100,000 underlying, you get, at expiration, a little calendar window. This calendar button, click it and you can choose any expiration date you want, not just the standard dates. So here I've chosen a November 15th, 129.50 call. Here's the bid, here's the offer. And again, the yellow window tells you what your margin requirements are for executing such a trade. We have another more sophisticated or more complete way of looking at options pricing, which is called the detailed option quotes window. I choose option quotes, choose my currency pair. Let's say we want to trade an option on Eurodollar. Now I get more detailed information. I have, for overnight options, 1 week options, 2 week options, options expiring on any of the next 5 Thursdays, for example. Let's choose this date, which is 16 days to expiration, October 13th. I have bid and offer prices for calls. If I want puts, I click here. Now I'm showing put options, bid and offer, open, high, low, change, last, probability of exercise, probability of the option finishing in the money, what's the range of the day, what's the percent change since yesterday. Here's the delta, mid-market implied volatility, skew from at the money, theta, which is daily theta, and the bid-offer spread, which is currently 7 pips. If I put my cursor on this top bar, right-click, I can choose additional fields such as Vega, and I can remove, for example, open or others. I click to buy a put. For example, let's say I'm interested in buying or selling the 112 puts. I click on one of the prices. I get the window for that option. And I can change the currency change the expiration date, whatever I need. All the information is here, and click to trade. And the trade is done. It says it's been processed. And here it is in our open positions window. When you put your cursor on the trade, you get a pop-up showing you all the details of the trade, but of course all the details are available here as well. If you've executed a trade and you want to close it, you just right-click on the trade and hit close. The window opens up. Since I had bought this option, I could only now sell it. I can do a partial sale. I can sell everything, whatever I like. There, I've closed the option, and it now disappears from my position. So those were the basics of the trading platform. We also have charting. You can add a chart. Choose the currency pair. Eurodollar by default. Under Edit, choose the time scale. We can have ticks every 2 minutes. What type of chart do you want, etc. It's a very flexible platform. If I want to move this window, I simply click and hold on the title of the window that I want to move and drag it elsewhere. I can move it here. I can divide this screen in half. I can put it here on this half. I can put it down here, for example, like that. Okay. Again, click and hold, move it, and let go. And you have your underlying tabs here. We have a risk management page. The risk manager will show you your net risk for each currency pair. So our total net delta, gamma, theta, vega, premium, etc. for each of these currency pairs. I can drill down by double-clicking on any of the currency pairs, and now I see all of our positions. In this case, in sterling, we have 2 open positions. We're long 10 calls struck at 131.50, and we're short 20 calls struck at 136. Let's get a graph. They're expiring November 9th. Let's see what that looks like. I click here to get a chart of the P&L. This position has been open for a while, and so it's got some losses. If I click and change the expiration date, it was expiring on November 9th. I'll choose November 10th. This is what the strategy looks like at expiration. So as of today, this position has some losses because it was put on probably a week ago. And at expiration, it is a ratio call spread. That's all we've got for today. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Reports, transaction confirmation statements, all the types of reports you could need are found here under the reports page. Just click to generate the report. The top shows you a ledger, followed by trades that you've done with opens and closes. So for example, here we opened one put and then we sold it. We lost $7, which was basically the bid offer spread. And down at the bottom, what are our open positions, followed by a summary of the account. Total unrealized spot P&L comes first, followed by our options positions, our margin status, and then the total account summary ending with our net liquidation value. What would be left if we closed all positions right now? Thanks for listening, and please follow up with additional videos for trading. And you can always contact us at support@sentryd.com for help. Thank you.